everybody, welcome back to Vlogmas day number 8. Today is Sunday. It is couponing day. The time right now is 9:33. I usually get out of the house between 8 and 10 o'clock when I do go couponing. I like to, just take my time, spend time with my family. I don't go out couponing right away. I know a lot of you guys like the deals right away, but I can't do that, especially having a newborn baby. She's not newborn anymore, but especially just having a baby, I gotta get things ready. So I'm heading to Walgreens right now, and then I am not hardly getting anything at CVS, you guys, because I didn't get my CRTs last week, and I just sent everything to my card. I like having the paper paper CRTs more, and then I just don't have all the coupons for it because I didn't get like inserts for like the last 2 weeks. So kind of slacking on that, but I know Walgreens is going to be awesome for me today. Yes. So let's go shopping. Where are we at?
We're going to see Elsa too.
We're going to see Elsa too. It's like 30 degrees outside and you don't have your jacket on.
It's freezing.
Well, then put your jacket on, silly. Yes, you guys, we're at the movie theater. Ben and I are gonna go have our little date, aren't we? We're gonna have fun.
No Charlotte and no Daddy.
No Charlotte, no Daddy.
Daddy needs to come here and watch Star Wars.
Daddy wants to watch Star Wars?
With me.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And can watch Charlotte.
Oh, okay. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna go have some fun at the movie theater. I don't know why he's not wearing his jacket, but let's go have some fun. What?
We're here.
We're here? We're at the movie? Yeah!
And it's not started.
It hasn't started yet?
Yeah.
Okay. So we are done with the movie, you guys. I actually really liked it. I like it maybe better than the second one. It's hard to say, but it was a good plot. I mean, it kept me interested the whole time. Ben kind of got a little bored because it's kind of a girly movie, but I really enjoyed Frozen. What did you think about it?
Good.
It was good?
And if
So, yeah, so now we're just going to go to Target because they have 10% off Target gift cards. When I made that video...
Now you have some Hot Wheels.
Hold on. Okay, I gotta listen to the radio station because it's 4:40. That means it's time to listen to the code word. But yeah, we're gonna go to Target because it's just right behind us, and we are it's like really dark in the car. But we're gonna go get some gift cards for Target when I made that video.
Some Rockies.
We don't need Rockies. So yeah, so we'll see you guys when we get home. We still haven't even done our advent calendars. I gotta edit my CVS video because I got home and hurry up and ran to the theater when I finished my Walgreens video. Like, that's how much time I had, like 20 minutes to post my video and get it posted. So let's go to Target. Okay, you want to go do the advent calendar now?
We are done with the Elsa movie. We got home.
Yep, we're at home now. It is 7:06. I'm finally relaxing for the night because I've been just busy. I just cleaned up the dishes. I haven't even cleaned up from the party yet, but I'll do that tomorrow. But Benjamin wants to open. We're watching Jingle All the Way. Love it. But Benjamin, you want to open these? You've been begging to open them. Let's see what we got for today's book. So today is the 8th.
That's number 9.
No, today's the 8th.
What?
So number 8.
Number 8.
Where do you see 8? Good job. Wouldn't it be cool if it was Frozen?
No, it is
Under
the sea.
Under the Sea. The Little Mermaid. Okay, put it back in the pocket. Good job, little man. Okay, now we're going to go do the advent calendar. Oh, you want to do the chocolates? Okay, so where's number 8? It's right here, little man.
Thomas.
We got Thomas.
It's not.
Number 1, Thomas.
Is this the same one?
Yeah, I wonder if he's anything special or anything. This is just like a Thomas. We got like 3 of these. Yeah. So, cool little Thomas. Okay, now let's do the chocolates.
Oh. I found number 9.
You found number 8. You gotta find number 8. It's right here.
No.
You need help?
No. I know what Daddy did for. I want to get
started. You need help or you got it? Who is it today?
alien.
The alien. Cool. You gonna eat it? Ben is like afraid to eat the chocolate. Like he loves candy, but he just doesn't want the advent calendar chocolate. Totally fine with me. But yeah, I put away my advent calendar for Ulta, so I'll show you guys that tomorrow when I find it. It's upstairs in my bedroom. So, but yeah, so we're just gonna lay low. I'm gonna pick up from our party. I am like so tired right now. I'm just about to like pass right out. Ben's just building Legos and magnet tiles. That's what he's doing right now. I'm just gonna pick up.
I'm not building Legos. I'm just putting Legos.
Oh, he's not building Legos. He's putting Legos inside the thing. Charlotte's is giggling in the background, but yeah, it's just kind of a slow day today, you guys. I had an awesome day at Walgreens. Yeah, I'm excited to go back.
We went to the movie theater with Angela.
Yeah, we went to the movie theater with Andrea. Yeah, so yeah, and then I used
Angel.
You're an angel?
Yeah.
With a halo on top? Oh, okay. So, we're just going to end it here, you guys, because I'm just tired. And
They're closing.
yeah, I like that sound. So, yeah. So, we're just going to call it a night. I'm going to get the kids ready for bed because they're going to go to bed in about 45 minutes. So, if you guys enjoyed this, please let us know. Say bye, everybody.
Give us a thumbs up.
A thumbs up. Okay. See you guys later. Bye-bye.